how the Jeep Gladiator pulls. 8,000 plus pound camper, 30 foot. I think tongue to hitch, it's actually like 34 foot. Jeep pulls great. What else can you take the top off, the doors off, and tow that kind of weight? Not saying it's not a workout for it, but you got enough power to get up and go. We're 20,000 miles total on the Jeep. We've had probably about solid 5,000 of those with the camper behind us. As far as braking, we've got a Prodigy P2 brake controller. Camper has brakes on both sets of axles. The gauges, the coolant hit, I believe it was 230. The oil temperature hit 250. I've never seen them go above those numbers. That's with pulling in the mountains. If there's any questions that y'all have, just leave them in the comment section and I will answer those also. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please ring the bell, click subscribe, give us a huge thumbs up.